All right, so for everybody out there, you might not know my face, but you definitely know my voice. All right, as he said, it was on Bad Boys 4. If you know this, I need you to sing it with me. It goes like this. Oh, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Come on. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Come on. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Come on. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Come on, get in there. Say it. That ain't loud enough. The Wobble Man is in the building. Tell everybody at the park to come right on over here. We about to do the biggest Wobble dance in Piedmont Park history. So I'm gonna say it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get in there. Say it. Yeah. That's a little better. With that being said, I brought the baddest band in the land with me. 10 years strong. All right, multi-platinum. I need y'all to enjoy everything of this that we call surround sound. Let's go. Go party. I need you to tell a friend and tell a friend we in the building. Oh, I told y'all we came to party, right? I need y'all to do this for me. Hey, now put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Let's go. Fist pump, jump. Fist pump. Hey, fist pump, jump. Hey, fist pump. And if you feeling like I'm feeling, go stand up. If you feeling like I'm feeling, go stand up. Let's go. Fist pump, jump. Fist pump. Hey, fist pump. One, come here. You ready? Here we go. One more time, y'all. You ready? And when it all comes together, y'all, it sounds something like this. Horns, let's go. down we go, down we go, we going down that rabbit hole, Jack. Down we go, down we go, down we go, we going down. Let's go. Well, I want to see if they with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again and now. Say it. I need to hear that louder than that. I'm gonna keep trying.
Hold on, JB. Hold on.
What's up, Jack?
Wait a minute.
What's up, Pimp? Hold on, Pimp. I got to bring hot now. Y'all give it up for my partner, Slim Dynamite, right here. This is my brother from another mother, man. And while we at it, happy Juneteenth. So celebrate your damn selves right now. Make some noise.
That's right.
If you didn't know, Wobble was on Bad Boys 4. How many of y'all saw the movie so far? All right. Good movie, right? All right, so we had a good week this week. Wobble was on Bad Boys 4, and we performed for the Vice President of the United States on Tuesday. How about that? That's pretty big, right? And guess what? Our biggest accomplishment is coming out here with y'all today. So make some noise for yourselves. Jack, can I do a little something for you?
Come on, Jack. You might want to catch your breath first.
You gonna do something with me? The stage is slippery, so be careful. Yeah. That's why we up here like, ooh.
You ready?
The mashed potato is working. It's working. You ready?
Come on, Jack.
I'm falling deeper and deeper to places unseen beyond the naked eye. Maybe I'm tripping off the way I'm feeling. I try to catch my grip, but just keep on slipping down that hole, Jack. While she chilling, no faces are triggered. My body's appealing. That kettle one talking, I can't fight the feeling. That's what they call lost in the song slim.
Yeah, Jack, this is it. Cameras flashing, taking pics.
Somebody turning to break the time.
This is one moment you're done with this. We're still not on my list officially. Rapid and tipping. They got a pop and dropping, violent, get sweating out the wind.
Blow a whistle, it's a victory. It's a victory, Jack. I can't hear you. Make some noise. So we got about a few hundred people that's on the hill back there. What we gonna do right here, y'all, we gonna crank this thing up so hard, we gonna get all of them. Watch this. I need y'all to help me do that, okay? We gonna keep it going, okay? This is still sound check. So, we like to do oldies but goodies. A lot of people say we sound like some of everything. So we try to give you all kind of music. All right? How many of y'all remember funk back in the days? This thing called funk. I think now they call it Southern Soul. Is that right? But we like to do a little funk too. We do hip hop. We do trap. We do everything. So right now, let me give you a little funk. Y'all ready? Let me see if this look familiar for you. 2, 3, and let's go. I need y'all with me on this one. I'm sorry. Let me give you your part. Y'all ready? I'm gonna teach y'all part, all right? So y'all seen that handsome brother right there singing, right? He's gonna say this. I got a place I know you wanna go. Out of this world. Please don't tell a soul. I need y'all to say it's far away from here. Say it with me. So far away from here. One more time. Y'all ready? I got a place I know you wanna go. Out of this world. Please don't tell a soul. It's I love it. So 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Let's go. I told y'all we just kind of have some fun, right? Hey, y'all pick it up. Y'all ready? Slide. Y'all ready? Here you go. y'all. You ready? I got a place. I know you want to go out of this world. Please don't tell me so. It's come on, y'all. So one more time. Keep it smooth like that. I got a place. I know you want to go out of this world. Please don't tell me so. Listen. Yeah, so this that elevated, soul shaking, back breaking, jump music. Watch out for the hook music. Make the people stop and look music. But we just call it good music. I told y'all, y'all gonna love this. Give me a minute. I want to see if they're still with me, y'all. Did you? Can I see if they're still with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it now. Sing. So
I don't know.
You don't like that?
I ain't like that one.
Come on, y'all.
Let me see about this side right here.
You want to see that side? You want to see they with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it now. Say it.
Okay.
I think this side.
There's less people over there. Y'all gotta do better. Come on, let's do this.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get it now. Say it.
Yeah, let's get it.
So we have this motto. I need y'all again. All right? We still having fun. Then we're gonna get to it. We have this motto, and it goes like this. This that elevating, soul shaking, back breaking, jump music. Watch out for the hook music. Make the people stop and look music. I need y'all. But we just call it good. I need y'all. But we just call it. But we just call it. We're going to speed it up. Y'all ready? But we just call it. I can't hear you. What? We just call it. Give me something, Digi. We're going to have fun with that. Y'all stay in tune now. We're going to have fun with that. Where my rockers at? Duffy, what's up, boy? Where my rockers at out here? Y'all ready? Let's go. I told y'all we do everything. You ready? Hey, it's that elevating, soul shaking, back breaking, jump music. Watch out for the hook music. Make the people stop and look music. But what we call it, y'all, we just call it. Watch this. Let's go. Cause life can't be rough. Hey, I said, follow your dream. Don't put them on me. Just want to love. Cause y'all ready? It's that elevator. some fact is I remember this. It's out there selling their dream just for the country. See, back in my day, we pop rock to hip hop. But nowadays, they booty pop and fish drop. Feel bad for the kids. What's the be working? But you can tell me, oh, he's working. And the man dropped something on the floor. Juneteenth, where you at? Make some noise. You wanna be free? You feel it right. If you understand, then you should be dead. Baby, you understand. You wanna be free? You feel it right. I need your help. This that elevated soul shaking back, bringing you music. Watch out for the hook music. Make the people stop and look music. What we call it, y'all? We just call it elevated soul shaking back, bringing you music. Watch out for the hook music. Make the people stop and look music. What we call it, y'all? We just call it. I can't hear you. What? We just call it. One more time, y'all. We just call it. Yeah. It's getting louder, DJ. It's getting louder. I noticed half of the people that were back there don't came up. Make some noise for yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Juneteenth celebration. How many of y'all know what Juneteenth is? Huh? That's everybody, right? Cool, I ain't got to explain it to you. All right. We lost a legend this year. Think y'all know where I'm going with this. We got Duffy out here. We got Doug from Dundee, J-Mo, my cousin Mario. We got my family out here. I see more extended family out here. And we were all, including us up here, influenced by this gentleman. When I say his name, I need y'all to make some noise because he need to hear us from the heavens above. Everybody give a shout out to Rico Wade. That's the guy that brought you Outkast, the greatest rap group of all time. Andre 3000, the greatest rapper of all time. Hold me to it, I don't care, I said it. Good him all. Good die mostly over you know what. I'm glad you ain't got no mic. So for y'all in the front that heard it, glad everybody in the back to hear. But we want to give a shout out to Rico Wade right now. What I need everybody to do, we're gonna go real ATL. I need you to hold your steering wheels up like this right here. Everybody, hold your steering wheels up. We about to ride around 285, real slow. Real slow. We're gonna go back to 1993 and put in this cassette tape. And we're gonna ride around this 285 real slow to a song called Spodiote. Dopalicious. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Let's ride. If you know this, I need you to sing it with me. Sing it. I see you over there. I'm gonna sing it with you one time. You ready? Damn, 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 damn. Sing it one time for Rico Wade, y'all. Come on. Damn, damn, damn. Hold your steering wheels up. Y'all ready? Here we go. Let's ride. doing? Lying around talking.
Baby, where you wanna go?
You know,
The club don't close to 4.
the club don't close till 4.
Let's ride each other, we can't no more.
Everybody, hold your steering wheels up. Let's ride one more time for Rico Way. Y'all ready? Here we go. Let's ride. Come on, put 'em up, Paul. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Oh, we just getting started. Country, come on. How many of y'all know this song? Huh? Creamy. Let's go. Sounds so good, right? Yeah. Y'all ready? You ready? Let's go! One more time. Here we go. How many of y'all out here in love? Anybody out there in love? It's Juneteenth. If you got somebody you love, I need you to grab them right now. If you got somebody you love, grab them right now and tell them like this. All I want is you. Real simple. For me. Look at them in the eyes and tell them right now. Tell them. All I want is you. For me. Hey, Brains. Let's go. Take it there, y'all. Let's go. Let's go to church one time. Alright? Let's take you to church one time. If you love yourself, I see you over there, girl. I need y'all to sing with me. Here we go. Let's go. Praise is what it's what I do. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Here we go. Sing it. Praise is what hold your hands up. Let's get that energy in the air. Let's get that energy in the air. Let's go. Here we go. I say it. Praise is what it's what I do. One time for Rico Wade, man. I hate to put him on blast, but if you didn't know, his nephew is right there standing in the middle of the grass. So I had to do it for him. He looked just like him if you look at him. That's also my cousin, y'all. Yes. I love you, man. You already know it. Guess what? I love y'all too. Because if we don't love each other, no one else will. Right? 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 I think it's about that time to give you what you came for. But I gotta see if you with me. Because if you ain't with me, I ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna jump in my truck and go back down 75. I came an hour to come do this for y'all, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, get in now. 6, get in now. 1, get in now. 6. Yes, sir. Shout out to Frank Ski, VIC, and the Package Store for making this record. And it goes like this. 3D. Well, hold up. Let's get it warmed up, 3D. Let's go. I need to see if you with me. Here we go. ATL.
We see you.
A DC.
We see you.
A D-Ball.
We see you.
Chicago.
We see you.
Down in New Orleans.
We see you.
Up in Milwaukee. a surround sound time machine. You ready? I said if y'all wanna party like we do, if y'all wanna party like us, let me hear you say If y'all wanna party like we do, if y'all wanna party like us, let me hear you say Now back that thing up. Now back that thing up. Back that thing up. Yeah, JB, you ready? Come on, Jack. Oh, everybody outside, say oh. Say what? Say what? I can't hear you. Oh. All my shorties in the club.
Let me see your chest.
Back it up, drop it down.
Let me see your chest.
Again, those fucking ground.
Let me see
I
your
said
chest.
1, 2, 3, here we go. Hey, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Come on.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
That's right.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Everybody in the building, again in there. Say, yeah, get in there. What? Get in there. Say,
Hey, big girl, make her back it up. Gonna back it up. Hey, big girl, make her back it up. Make her back it up. We see y'all. Hey, gonna back it up. Gonna back it up. Hey, we see y'all.
y'all keep that going. Keep that going. Keep that going.
Back it up.
Slim, I said, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah. Hey, if you like the swing, go do your thing.
Hey,
Hey,
if you like the swing, go do your thing.
hey, if you like the swing, go do your thing. Keep it going. Hey,
If you like the swing, baby.
what we tell them, Slim, keep it going. I said, get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line,
Get in line.
Did you go? It's me and you ready? Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Come on.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Come on.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Come on.
Sexy ladies in the building, get in there. Say,
Yeah, yeah.
get in there. What?
Yeah, yeah.
Get in there. Say,
Yeah, yeah.
get in there. Say,
Yeah, yeah. Hey, big girl, back it up. Gonna back it up. One, gonna back it up. Gonna back it up. Hey, baby, back it up. Back it up. I see y'all. Gonna back it up. Gonna back it up.
it's a party over here. Just clap, clap. 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 Oh, we just get started right still. Hey, hey. 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 Get in there. Say.
Yeah, yeah.
Get in there. What?
Yeah, yeah.
Get in there. Say.
Yeah, yeah.
Slim.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a party over here. Ain't nothing over there.
The party's over here. There ain't nothing over there.
It's a party right here. Ain't nothing back there.
The party's over here. There ain't nothing over there.
Y'all know this thing with yeah, 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 yeah. We just getting started. I told you it's a party, right? Come on, y'all ready? Yeah, 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 yeah. What my sexy ladies in? There you go.
Come on, Jack.
Hey, I said
Go in the box. Tap the tap. When you get that notion, put your back foot in motion. So go in the box. Sexy, sexy. Ain't nothing wrong. If you wanna do the butt all night long.
she got a big old butt.
Oh yeah.
She got a big old butt.
Oh yeah.
She got a big old butt.
Oh yeah.
Damn! Big old butt. Let's go.
You stressing too hard, baby. I say you stressing too hard. You stressing too hard, baby. I say you stressing too hard.
You stressing too hard, baby. I say you stressing too hard. So when I'm performing for Kamala, right? When I'm performing for the
I say you
first person, I said
stressing too
this.
hard.
When I die, tell the baby turn me upside down. Take that beat and kiss my ass. want y'all to know what I just said.
Come on, Jack.
If you love yourself, make some noise. Look around. I told you we were going to get the people from the hill back there. Shout out to the people just checking in to the network. Like they say on NFL, everybody that's just checking in to the network. So watch this. I got you. When I say when I die, tell them they can turn me upside down and kiss my... I can't say it, y'all can. Hold on, let me get some water because we gonna turn this thing to the roof. I got you. We done. Watch this.
Don't get that water, Jack. Come on.
It's sweat fest.
Hey man, come on, man. You know what's going on.
Y'all ready? Go ahead and take a cup of water right now. The sweat fest.
This is for all our haters right now. This is for all our haters. When I die, tell them they can turn me upside down and do what y'all kiss my... I know a lot of unhappy people that got a problem with me. Well, they gonna have a problem with this. I know a lot of unhappy people that got a problem with me. Well, they gonna have a problem with this. I know a lot of unhappy people that got a problem with me. Well, they gonna have a problem with this. I know a lot of unhappy people that got a problem with me. Well, they gonna have a problem with this. I said if you ain't come to water, take your ass home.
Take your ass home. Take your ass home.
I said if you ain't come to water, take your ass home.
Take your ass home. Take your ass home.
I got my drink and my two-step.
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 Y'all ready? When I die, tell me they can turn me upside down. And do what, y'all? Y'all having too much fun, right?
When I die, tell me they can turn me upside down.
Upside down, y'all. Kiss my... If you got 100 in your pocket, hold your hands up.
Hold your hands up. Hold your hands up.
If you got a 50 in your pocket, hold your hands up.
Hold your hands up. Hold your hands up.
And if you're feeling like a feeling, don't stand up.
Don't stand up. Don't stand up.
And if you're feeling like a feeling, don't stand up. So what I'm saying, let's go. You ready?
Stand up.
I said, jug for me, mommy, jug for me, mommy.
Jug for me, mama. Jug for me, mama.
Run up on it, homie, run up on it, homie.
Run up on it, homie. Run up on it, homie.
Jug for me, mommy, jug for me, mommy.
Jug for me, mommy. Jug for me, mommy.
Run up on it, homie, run up on it, homie.
Run up on it, homie. Run up on it,
When I
homie.
die, tell me they can turn me upside down. And do what, y'all?
Do that. What? Do that. Do that.
When I die, tell me they can turn me upside down. And this is my... Did you? Listen. If you love yourself, hold your hands up. Do your victory dance. Let me show you how to do it. Hey, hey. We about to go now. We appreciate y'all for having us. But I'm going to show you how you do your victory dance. This song right here was on TNT. This year and last year for the NBA All-Star Game. So check this out. Do this for me. If you're feeling like a champ, don't raise your hands.
Come on. Let me see you raise your hands.
Two-stepping on the floor, this my victory dance. Hey,
And this my victory dance. Come on.
try not to be a victim of your circumstance.
Don't be a victim of your circumstance.
Don't get your panties in a bunch, baby, and do your victory dance. Watch
Come on.
this. And do your victory dance. Ooh,
Ooh.
and ooh. Now turn around. One more time. I said ooh. Hey, ooh. Hey, now turn around. That's how you do your victory dance, baby. Now watch this. Strike a pose, Duffy. Take a picture, Duffy. Strike a pose, girl. Take a picture. You ready? Who lit? We lit. Up, do now. We in this. Check the swag, baby. It's righteous. Throw it out your ass, moving like molasses. With all that kind of spit on your iPad, would be ashamed if you sit there and don't float it. That's a fact and not your opinion. Throw your hands in the air. One more time. If you're feeling like a champ, go on, raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Two-stepping on the floor, this is my victory dance.
Hey, and this my victory dance. Come on.
Try not to be a victim of your circumstance.
Don't be a victim of your circumstance.
Don't get your panties in a bunch, baby. One more time, y'all, this way. Y'all ready?
And do your victory dance.
Slide, high, pose, slide. Now turn around. That's your victory dance right there. One more time, you ready? Slide, Johnboy, and we are Surround Sound. Trash. I always have fun with the crew of Juneteenth ATL, man. We always have fun with them. If you love yourself, say, yeah, yeah, or get in there. Say it. Y'all can reach us at JassSolit, and at JassSolit on all platforms. What's up, Bob?
John. I'm not gonna let you leave like that.
Come on.
Atlanta loves you. You understand me? Atlanta, y'all love him? We appreciate you. We appreciate the genius that you are. We appreciate what you're doing on this day for our culture. And we want to say thank you, brother. Because what you did right there,